Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start in Settings because the feature lives under Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, then touch and find Back Tap near the bottom. This is the control point. Once done, make sure to confirm your iPhone model supports Back Tap. It's available on newer iOS versions and hardware. If you can't find Back Tap, update iOS or check model compatibility. You want the screen showing double tap and triple tap so you can assign actions. Keep it open to set the screenshot action next. You now choose double tap inside the Back Tap menu and scroll the action list until you see Screenshot. Tap it to assign. Once assigned, make sure to exit Settings and test immediately with a deliberate double tap on the back of your iPhone. If it doesn't trigger, return and try triple tap as an alternative assignment while troubleshooting sensitivity. You can also remove other conflicting gestures. This step connects the physical gesture to the system screenshot command, so it works reliably. You finish by verifying the gesture across typical ways you hold the phone and with any case you use. Cases sometimes dampen taps. Once done, make sure to test several times, varying pressure and location on the back to find the sweet spot. If it still fails, restart your iPhone and confirm iOS is up to date. Updates often fix gesture bugs. As a key troubleshooting tip, temporarily remove the case and retry. If it works without the case, consider a thinner case or adjusting tap technique.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.